So guys, bro, when I fell off the bike the other day, I skinned up both of my legs. Bro, so how I fell off the bike was, I had it on gear 5. Gear 5 is like, I think it's like, I didn't know I had on gear 5 when I was trying to wheelie it. I forgot to put it on gear 1 or gear 2. Well, no, gear 1. Cause gear 1 is like the slowest. I gotta get over here. Come on, cars. Okay. Yeah, gear 1 is like the slowest, bro. I done fucked up. It messed up my my knees. But it's all right. It is what it is. Yeah, back to what I was saying is, yeah. So yeah, I fell off my bike, trying to wheelie it, end up skinning up both my knees. I started here. So I think I keep going. Yeah, I think I keep going. Yeah, but like that's what I was saying. Yeah, so I skinned on both my knees. I had to get them, clean them up and all that. But I'm straight. But I definitely can't bend down on my knees, no. Cause this is gonna hurt. I think I turn this way. Or watch going down. What? Oh yeah, I turn. Yep, coming right up. Dang, bro. They got the people in the guns. What the hell? Yo. They wildin', bro. They got the people in the guns. Bro, man pointing the gun. Every day you see that in Florida, bro. Literally crazy, bro. Let's see. Uh-oh. That might be a security guard or undercover police. Looks like it. Bro, you know the crazy part? I'm in Lauderdale Lakes, bro, so I just seen somebody legit try to like take my bike when I was in the store. I was in the store at Audi. Cause I had like a, I had to get something to drink. Crowd crazy around here, bro. What the hell? Man, that man having the best of his life, bro. I don't know what the world was going on with him. Hey, what is going on today, bro? Like, so many polices. What they doing? Looking at him. They looking at They looking at him. I'm guessing. Say you're off of me.